I was right about the naming of the Honor X9 next successor. This is the new Honor X9b, which is set to launch on the 1st of November 2023. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 105. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. The Honor X9 was already impressive with its ultra-tough side curved OLED screens that can survive multiple drop tests as well as crack open walnuts without leaving a scuff on the screen. The Honor X9b here set the bar even higher with all-angle ultra tough. It doesn't just have a tough front screen, but all rounds includes the back glass and the side frame. The Honor X9b is the world's first smartphone to receive a 5-star overall drop resistance certifications from Switzerland's SGS. The company is so confident that it even offered the industry first 365 days of front and back crack replacement protection. So why do they still provide TPU case inside the box? Aesthetically, there isn't a huge difference, but there's a lot of new improvements and upgrades over its predecessor. First and foremost, the Honor X9b sports a slightly bigger 6.7-inch side curved OLED display with 2652 by 1200 resolution that pushes 429 ppi and up to 120 Hz refresh rate. The panel even boasts 1200 nits peak brightness and features 1920 Hz PWM dimmings, TUV Ryland low blue light certifications, and Circadian night display technology eye protections, similar screen technology that found on the flagship Honor Magic 5 Pro. It also has an in-display fingerprint scanner that works pretty well. Would you believe this? With a thickness of less than 8mm, holds a 5800 mAh battery while keeping it under 190 grams. This is the largest battery in its class. According to Honor, the 5800 mAh batteries can provide up to 3 days of use on a single charge. There's no crazy fast charging here. It only supports Honor 35W supercharge and the power brick is included. Because of its curved display and the curved back cover, the device feels sleek and premiums on hand. It feels like a premium flagship done right. Haunted with the same issue as its predecessor, Uni gets a single down-firing speaker. It can get very loud but has a poor mid-frequency sound, especially vocal, so it sounds a bit muffled. Under the hood is the new 4nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, a 5G chip and also the first to debut in Malaysia, paired with 12GB of memory plus and 8GB of Honor RAM Turbo Virtual Memory. You also get a speedy 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. Runs on Magic OS 7.2 based on Android 13. The performance is definitely an upgrade over its predecessor. The daily use experience was good. I have no issue playing mobile games like Asphalt 9 or Genshin Impact at medium graphics setting. Honor X9b gets an upgrade for its primary cameras with a 108MP 1/1.67-inch sensor size and a wide f1.75 aperture lens. Even features the Honor Magic 5 series Falcon captures and motion sensing. The primary camera is now capable of shooting 4K at 30 video recordings, paired with a 5MP f2.2 ultra-wide and a macro lens. The display center hole punch houses a 16MP f2.5 aperture camera. Here are some photos taken with the Honor X9b. The photos are sharp and have good HDR control with the main camera, while the ultra-wide camera is a bit weak, especially in noise control. This is probably due to the low resolution sensor. The Honor X9b offered in 3 color options: Sunrise Orange, Midnight Black, and Titanium Silver, which I have it right here. At the time I recorded this video, I didn't have the official pricing yet. Availabilities, pricing, and promotions will be shared on my website. The link will be in the description box below. That's all from me on the new Honor X9b. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.